Man, it's been a good day, bro. It's been a good day, man. Finna get ready and go down here to the car wash. You know, go ahead and get cleaned up before I go to work and whatnot. You know, get these leaves and shit off my car and make it look better. I ain't finna make it all perfect, cause I ain't got time to make it perfect, you know, like really do up the tight shine, then have some of this shit kick off as I'm rolling, you know, and whatnot. But I'm gonna make it look good. You know. Clean car still gotta be clean though. Damn, Camry just sitting there. You know, still gotta get clean. Tires ain't gonna be as clean, as shiny as they normally do. But I still got some tight shine built up on it, so it'll be alright. You know, then you know, just enjoying my Sunday. Alright, which one of you bastards take it forever to speed the fuck up? Damn. All three of y'all bastards take it forever to speed the fuck up. Finna get everybody hit. But yeah, man, and it's crazy how, you know, a lot of things is crazy, man. But that's life, like, you can't predict how life be. You can only, you know, see how it's doing and adjust to it accordingly. You know. Hey, they said this building, you ain't never been to Chicago if you ain't never passed that building. That means you ain't never been on the damn range driving south. All you gotta do is just roll with life. You know, when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. Hey, I just thought about something. Something just crossed my mind. Something just crossed my fucking mind. This bitch really said I put sugar in her car last year. The minister bitch that my baby mama cheated on me with. I just really thought about something. What the fuck you doing? And then he said, man, at least you got on some light, you know, somebody can see you. But I just really thought about that. Like, it just really hit me. And then y'all motherfuckers up here acting like y'all can't turn. Fuck it, I'm going through the alley then. Like, it just really dawned on me. This bitch said I put sugar in her car last year. Sugar? Well, my car knowledge, I'll take your shit down to bare bones. I don't need to put sugar in shit. It just really dawned on me. I just wanted to get in front and cut the cab driver off. Fuck them cab drivers. They be cutting us all the fuck off driving downtown and shit. So when I catch him out here in the real Chicago, I return the favor. that shit just crossed my mind. But man, I've been looking on Copart too. I've been seeing the same G-Wagon that still ain't came up for sale yet. I ain't gonna disclose how much they want for it. It ain't a bad price either. You know, it needed a little mechanical work. It got listed. Needs some suspension work and all. Nothing major, but I'm definitely thinking about grabbing a G-Wagon. Bet. Well, I say bet. But yeah, I'm definitely thinking about grabbing a Benz G-Wagon. Oh, motherfucker's nice. Hey, if I bring a G-Wagon in, that's gonna be mine. Hey, that's gonna be the car I don't even make a video on. I just post pictures of it on the community tab, cause I'm motherfuckers gonna really hate if I post that inside. Oh man, I can see the hate I get from it now. How you get this? I thought he was broke. He was a broke nigga, but he got a G-Wagon, this, that. How you get that? He don't even do for his daughter. I can see the hate coming from it. Talking about, I don't do for my daughter. You see why? The fuck? I can't even see her ass. But I just bought her ass some shoes. I went to jail for buying my daughter some shoes. That's the fucked up part. And I almost went to jail again because I almost bought my daughter some shoes the other day when I bought me some shoes. I would have went to jail again. You know what? I'm just finna be good. I'm finna be good right now. I'll catch y'all in the next video. I'm out.